This is a quick video all about the word fast. The adjective fast, the adverb fast, and some other types of words that also use fast. Noun and verb. What are the differences? And what are the similarities? And how do we use them? Keep watching and find out. Okay, everyone. Fast. The adjective, the adverb, the noun, and the verb. Let's get started. In English, fast is a very common word, but it's also a word that often confuses English learners. So let's talk about it. In English, the word fast is similar to the adjective quick and the adverb quickly. Let's talk about the adjective first. For example, a fast horse, a quick horse. Wow, that dog is fast. Wow, that dog is quick. So, fast and quick both mean moving or capable, able of moving at a high speed. Same with fast horse, quick horse, moving or capable of moving at a high speed. Speedy is a synonym of fast and quick. Speedy. A speedy horse. A speedy car, right? A fast car. Okay. And here you can see horse is the noun. So the adjective describes, gives information about the noun. And here, dog. The adjective gives information about the noun. The adjective describes the noun. Let's talk about the adverb. The horse runs fast. The horse runs quickly. This means at high speed. Speedily. Speedily is a synonym. And runs is a verb. So the adverb describes the verb. The adverb gives information about the verb. Understand? The horse runs fastly. Maybe you have heard some people say this. Do you think it's correct? Well, it's not correct. There is no word fastly in English. Okay? So fast is an adjective and fast is an adverb. This is often where students and learners become a little bit confused. They think that fastly is a word. It's not. Okay? Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and hit that like button. It really helps my channel. Thank you so much. Back to the video. However, As an adverb, fast has another meaning. Look at the baby. She's fast asleep. What does this mean? She's quick asleep? No. This means so as to be difficult to wake. Fast asleep is an expression. It means really, really asleep. Difficult to wake them up. Also, it means deeply, completely asleep. What type of word is asleep? It's an adjective. So in this case, the adverb describes or gives information about the adjective. Remember, adverbs can describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Okay. Fast is also a verb and a noun with separate but similar meanings. Separate from the adjective and the adverb, so it doesn't mean quick or speedy, but similar because the verb and the noun have a similar or same meaning. So far, so good? Let's talk about the verb first. During Ramadan, Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset. Here, fast is a verb. It means they do not eat. It means they go without food. It means they abstain from food. Abstain means don't do it. The noun, I go on a fast once a month to stay healthy. What does this mean? Well, it means here a fast is a period of time where you are not eating food. You are fasting, right? Fasting has been a common religious practice for thousands of years. Fasting is the action of not eating food. So, very different from the adjective and the adverb meaning of fast, right? Okay, let's talk about some other meanings of fast. An adjective. He's a fast reader. He's a fast talker. He's a fast thinker. He's a fast learner. Fast reader, fast talker, fast thinker, fast learner. These mean he's able to perform an action, reading, thinking, talking, able to perform an action quickly, specifically in a short amount of time. Another adjective. My watch is running 30 seconds fast. What does that mean? Well, it means when you are talking about a clock or a watch showing time ahead of the correct time. So if I look at my phone and my watch, they are different. The phone is correct. My watch is 30 seconds fast, 30 seconds ahead of my phone. Now let's talk about an adverb. She buys lottery tickets every week. She thinks she'll get rich fast. What does this mean? Get rich fast. Well, it means in a short amount of time. Similar to quick or quickly, talking about time. Okay, I told you today's video was going to be fast. Let me know your questions down below and any ideas for future videos. Thank you so much for watching once again. Like this video if you learned something today, and subscribe to the channel because, well, you're still here watching. Might as well, right? My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.